Hola, hola mi gente, this is KQ3Q and I'm at home. I have this tiny little project that I need to do this morning and I have to solder this piece. This is a Vibro jack made by WO6W, Bob. And thanks Jim, W6JIM, for sending it to me. And this will allow me to use an audio jack for my bug. So I'm excited. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm no expert at soldering. I'm hoping I won't get any cold solder, so hopefully I'll do a decent job. Again, I'm no expert. This is not like a how-to video on how to solder, but it's just a little project that I want to show you and then try it and hopefully it will work. All right, my 73s, and thank you for tuning in. This is the soldering iron that I'll be using. And this is the piece that I need to solder. This is the jack right here. This is the base. It says WO6W Vibro Jack 1.0. And I need to solder this, and it's coming off, but this is where I need to do. I need to solder those 5 little holes. Okay, and then this will come through here, and then I'll be able to plug an audio jack. And pretty much that's what I have to do. All right, I'm heating up the soldering iron. I'm lefty. This gets pretty odd. All right, it's coming well here. Cut one, and let's me move this more to the center so maybe you can see, but I know I should zoom, but I don't have the video capability to do that yet. Two. Three. Hopefully 3. Supposed to heat up the little thing here first, right? I'm terrible at this. I'm not really good. Okay. Hopefully I don't have any cold solder, but my lack of experience. Again, this is not a how-to video at all. This is just, hey, I'm new, I'm trying my best. Let me look at this thing. All right, they are. I know If it's shiny, it means something. If it's not shiny, it means something else. But I know this is not a video for people to learn how to solder because I am not an expert and I'm not doing a how-to video, but this is the piece and I'm not sure if you can see, but hopefully it's a decent job. So now it's time to try this. All right, it's time to put this on my Vibroplex. You unscrew this and screw this one carefully. Now you see these two little holes, place it right here. All right, and it's there. There you go. Now it's time to insert the audio jack. Normally I would use this type of cable with this type of terminal, with this D rings. I bought this directly from Vibroplex, but you can make them. And you would just insert it here and here, right? And that's it. But I need the extra cable for my straight key, so it's convenient for me. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. I have my audio jack here and I'm going to insert it. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's a little bit difficult for me. All right, let's push in. There you go. There it is, there it is, there it is. All right, so let me turn on my radio. And I'm going to send some V's. Awesome, it works. Awesome. All right, I guess I did it.